Hello everyone! Kumusta? Today we will be cooking pancit canton. Here are the ingredients we need. 200 grams pancit canton or egg noodles, 4 tablespoons Kikkoman soy sauce or any soy sauce. Ihahalo natin to sa meat. 200 grams of chicken breast. Dito i-add natin yung 2 tablespoons of Kikkoman and half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. 200 grams pork shoulder. Add 2 tablespoons Kikkoman and half teaspoon freshly grated ginger as well, or you can use 400 grams of either chicken breast or the 400 grams of the pork shoulder, kung ano yung gusto nyo. 100 grams peeled fresh prawn or 50 grams dried prawn. Tinatawag namin itong hibi sa Bisaya, na sure sa Tagalog. 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 1 can of 160 grams sweet corn. You can use frozen or fresh, whatever you got. 1 Knorr chicken cube, this is optional. 1 teaspoon fine sea salt, ground black pepper to taste, thin slices of lemon as needed, 2 pieces spring onions. Not sure kung pieces yung tawag or stem or stalk, basta yung spring onion yung yun, dalawang ganun. Then a pack of a stir-fry vegetable pepper mix. You can choose your favorite vegetables and slice them thinly yourselves if you prefer. That's what I did. I used Chinese pichai or Chinese leaf. Then separate the stalk and the leaves. Pichai or pak choy. Stalk and leaves separated as well. 2 small carrots. Red, green, and yellow bell pepper, a quart of each. And the chicharo. Let's start cooking. So boil 2 cups of water and add 200 grams of pancit canton. Boil for about 4 minutes. At this time, you can start put your sweet corn in a blender and add 150 ml of water, then liquidize. Then heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Saute garlic until medium brown, then add the onion. Drain the pancit canton and set aside. When the onions are transparent, add the thinly sliced pork shoulder. Then add the chicken cube if you use chicken cube. Simmer for 15 minutes. Then add the chicken. At yung mga gulay na medyo matigas, dito yung gulay ko, carrots. Add a liquidized sweet corn. Add 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the peeled prawn and the remaining vegetables except yung mga dahon at yung saglit lang naluluto. Mga dahon ng Chinese pichay, pak choy, bell pepper at saka yung chicharo. Iwanan yun. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes or hanggang yung prawn turns to light pinkish color. Transfer the drained pancit canton to your serving bowl. Then add the veggies that cooks in 2 to 3 minutes. In this case, is a bell pepper and the chicharo. Simmer for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Add the leaves. At dahan-dahan ihalo sa pancit canton. Garnish siya ng spring onions na hiniwan ng maliliit. Add ground black pepper if you want. Squeeze a slice of lemon. And enjoy!